County until 10 p.m. At 7:29 p.m., emergency management reported ongoing widespread flooding and water rescues in central Fairfield to northern New Haven counties. Between 6 and 10 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for central Fairfield County toward northern New Haven counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waterbury, Danbury, Shelton, Naugatuck, Southbury, Newtown, Fairfield, Trumbull, Ridgefield, Monroe, Bethel, Wilton, Brookfield, Weston, Reading, Middlebury, Beacon Falls, Georgetown, Oxford and Easton. Law enforcement is reporting widespread water rescues taking place from central Fairfield County into northern New Haven County. In addition to reports of several mudslides, some road washouts have also been reported, particularly around the Southbury, Monroe, and Oxford areas. Repeating, the flash flood warning has been extended until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven. The National Weather